How are you? I'm fine, and thank you. What is this? This is Lane's. How does it tasty? It's delicious. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. What time do you close? It is close at 8 p.m. Where are you from? I am from London. What what's on your mind? I am just thinking. When will be back? He will be back in 5 minutes. Where are you going? I am going to drink water. What happened? Nothing. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is hot noodles. What is your hobby? My hobby is a honest teacher. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue and purple. Please subscribe our channel.